Hello and welcome to Magic Feather Production. So, we did the belt, we did the cultist dagger, and we did the arms. We also did the mask recently, and now I did the hood.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Got a pillow sheet that already has a light stain tint to it. Makes me kind of look like an old granny.
I should never buy Gribbinus from a moil. It's so chewy.
We're gonna make the shawl today. This is what it looks like. So all I did was I got a pillow sheet and I cut the sides. All I have to do is make a hole for my fat head to go through and then coffee stain it. I'm brewing up some coffee right now, so it's gonna look good. It should go past the crotch area and then have a belt right here. Ta-da! Oop. It will get spread a little bit more when I put the straps that go like this across. What else you're going to be needing? Tea stain. 3 different types of spray paint. Some red acrylic if you want to put some blood splatter on there. And you're going to need a giant jar to put all the coffee and tea in there. Okay, perfect weather for the front, the hood, the straps, more straps, and the long johns. So now what we gotta do is we're gonna wrap ourselves up. So this wrapping took 5 minutes. I'm gonna do for the back is I'm gonna make it look like a spine. You see this picture right here. He has some sort of vertebrae going on. These just don't look so comfy. Here's the back end, and I put the bones from big to small. Pinpoint where we're going to use the holes for the hamstring. All right, have enough room to tuck this in. So what do I gotta do next? The legs. Then we will be totally complete and I will be done with the Mothman cultist costume for SummerCon. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.